Here we're going to talk about finding the model number on your Remington razor. Before you select parts on the website, it's very important that you look at your shaver and find the model number and make sure that the parts you're ordering match that model number. On your Remington razors, there's a variety of places the number may be found depending on which model you have and how old it is, etc. On some of the older models, it might be written nice and clear on the front. On a lot of models, it's going to be written here on the back. Many times the writing is small or imprinted and not easy to read. You may need a magnifying glass to read it. And then other models, like this one, it's written on the underside of the trimmer. The number is usually going to be in a format of one letter followed by some numbers. For instance, this one, F5800. You might have an R and numbers, or even a couple of letters followed by numbers. Something of that format